Hello. So this is InstantDNATech. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Minecraft hacked client for 1.6.2. You'll need MCP, the latest version. I'll put a link in the description for that. But today we're going to be coding a hacked client. So what a hacked client is it basically allows you to do, it enables or gives you can code whatever you desire to edit Minecraft source code. It's sort of like a mod, but usually hacked clients are used for griefing, as opposed to the name hack client, which is sort of like you get hacks, sort of cheating, like X-ray, Fulbright, Killer, then there's some more advanced stuff like tracers, auto swastika. Then there's there's a lot of features like auto fisher as well. But we're going to be starting off with the basics. So what you're going to need is you're going to need MCP, and I'll do another video on how to install that. But for now, I'm assuming you guys already have that set up. So in here, you're going to want to type in private boolean key states semicolon. So you don't want, these are brackets, so you're going to want to put semicolon at the end. Then but first you're going to want to type in import org.lwjgl.input.keyboard semicolon, and then you're going to type in private boolean key states. I mean, private and public, they don't really, you can make them public if you want. I'm gonna though keep it private. I mean, you can make it public if you want. I'll probably make Java tutorials. This takes forever. My computer's pretty slow, but I'll probably make Java tutorials to explain better. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to type in is right here. You're going to want to type in key states, and because the key is lowercase and then the S is capitalized, you're going to do the same thing here. Equals new boolean 256 with the brackets and this with a semicolon. And underneath of the public GUI in game Minecraft par Minecraft or par1 Minecraft, you're gonna then want to type in public boolean check key int I, and then open it with the braces. If mc.current screen does not equal null, return false. If keyboard.is key down I does not equal key states brackets I, return key states I equals opposite of when key states is on I, else return false. So I'm assuming you guys know what when to close and open the brackets. So not brackets, braces. Yeah, I think they're called, yeah. So I'm assuming you guys know some Java. So let's go down here. You're gonna want to go here to where it says this.mc.profiler.end section, and after this, after you hit this brace, you're gonna want to type in else, and you can open it if you want, but I don't want to open it right now. So next we're gonna type in var8 drawstring with shadow. So we're gonna call them var8, I believe, is another word for, it's font renderer, and it's gonna drawing the string onto the screen. So the par1 str stands for string. So this is what we want it to say. So we're gonna type in DNA client or something, and the positioning is, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Usually for the name of it, you wanna keep it at 2 and 2, because then it's like right here, it looks cool. I mean, you could do it over here, but that would be like odd. So, because then you have to minimize it and open it again, minimize it, and then it would look ugly because it's meant to be on the left side rather than the right side. I mean, I'll show you guys how to do that when we get further into our tutorials. So right now, the 2 and the 2, the x and y coordinate, and this third section over here is the color. So, I mean, so let's go to, I use Waterfox. Yeah, that's really cool. It's like Firefox. So let's go to colorpicker.com. This right here is this is like an awesome website. It shows you can scroll and select your favorite color and make it it's like really well done. So I think I'm gonna, for DNA, whenever I think of DNA, I think of like a blue. It's like a slick blue like that. That looks perfect. So I'm gonna put that there. This is done in hexadecimal. So I don't want to get too far into this because I want this to continue to be a tutorial for Minecraft. So 0x is how you start it off in the code, but if you were to write a website, it would, just a little quick tip, like bg color equals like hashtag ff, which is 6 Fs, and it's in hexadecimal. So a lot of programming languages, you have different starters for it. What do we call it? Yeah. Minecraft has this 0x starter. So if we wanted to type in, if we wanted to be white, we would type ff. If we wanted it to be blue, it would be ff. If you wanted it to be red, it would be ff0000, I think, something like that. I'm gonna have to check. And yes, please excuse me for this. I already started my client, but it's not really good. All it has is just a little GUI main menu. And we're not going to do hacks today. We're just going to learn about the GUI editing. So now let's go ahead. Once you have this done, you can write whatever you want. We're going to debug this. So what we do is it's going to launch Minecraft. And this is like debugged. So you can change the source code as you go along. So I already did this. So now let's, hold on. I'm just gonna have to adjust these settings. Create new world. I'm gonna call this hacked client test. Make it allow cheats on so I can fly around and stuff. So now it's preparing. You can see the console. The console's really cool. How it like works. And in my Java tutorials in the beginning, I'm going to be showing you guys console printed stuff. Okay, so you see here DNA client over here. So that's really cool. So you got the DNA client tag over there, and yeah. So we're gonna see. We can also do draw Rex, but I'm not going to get too fancy with the GUI yet. So yeah, this is your client for now. Nothing really to do. There's nothing really that special about it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, be sure to leave a like. Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.